Hi, seniors. Welcome to week 3. We are going to go over your timeline project. As always, you go to your English folder and you go to week 3. This week we have a journal, more review on the hero's journey, and your timeline project. So you're going to click on here and let's look at the directions together. From the time you were born, you have been part of a timeline. You may not think that the events and actions in your life are important, but they are. Please look back over the course of your life. Remember, you are the hero of your own life story. In this activity, you will develop a timeline of your life. This timeline will include important personal events that have happened to you in your life. So you're going to brainstorm 10 events that were significant to forming who you are today. So you're thinking about events both in your personal life, and they also could be historical events that have shaped and influenced the very person you are today. And you are going to put those on a timeline. So let's take a look. If I'm in period 6 and I go to my week 3 folder and I click on my timeline project, I am going to go to this discussion, and in the discussion, every student has their own timeline. So if I am Rashma, I am going to click on this one. If I am Sarah, I am going to click on this one. If I am Zanabo, I am going to click here. If I am Partha, I'm going to go here. If I am Jeremiah, I'm going to click here. You each have your own Padlet. Make sure you click on your own link. So when you click on your own link, you are going to come to this Padlet here. Okay, and you can simply add on to your timeline like this. So you might say, first, birth. It's an important event, right? You were born. So you're going to write something about it. Right now, we are going to work on this a few weeks, so we're just asking you to name the 10 events, but maybe you want to put a little more information. So I was born in 1976 in Miller Place, New York. Okay. Then I think about, what was the next big event in my life? Well, maybe I want to talk about Miss Carly's preschool. She was my first teacher, and she really influenced the type of teacher I am today. So then you keep thinking, what else was important? Oh, I know, the birth of my sister. I was 12 years old, and so she was almost like my daughter, and her birth really influenced me learning how to be a mother. But then I think, oh, wait, I forgot to put something in here. I forgot to add in about my grandfather's death, because that was really my first exposure to death, and that really formed who I am. So you see how I could just add in if you forget something? Because you want it to go chronologically. So you're going to add 10 events from birth until today that were significant in creating who you are. And that's it. That's all you have to do for now. Eventually, you're going to add the story about each of these things, and you're going to add pictures as well. But we are going to do that over the next couple of weeks. So this week, you are thinking about 10 key significant, important events in your life. All right, thanks for watching.